So we just got to our villa in Bali, and I want to take you guys around because it is absolutely insane. So we're gonna start with the entrance. It's the front door behind me. So this is our little koi pond entrance. Is this a koi pond? Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Right? Look at the little babies.
Look at the birthday girl.
Hello.
Yo.
How are you?
What up?
What's in here?
Bathroom.
Oh, there's a bathroom. Little kitchen. Yummy fruit.
So who's down to walk back down the road to that tree? It's 20, yeah, 25 road.
Smile, you're on Candid Cammy. Oh, I think I just stepped on a bug. I know. So here is one bedroom. It's got a TV, and this is the bathroom in here. So freaking cute. And then the greenery over here. And then it opens up to the pool. And this is my room, which is another one that opens up to the pool. And then over here is my bathroom. Love this. Like, this is so lush and so beautiful. And double sink, toilet over there, and my shower here, which is open, which is phenomenal. And then on the floor, this is what the floor looks like. These are actual rocks that move. This is kind of nice. And then back here is my little closet. So and then here is the other bedroom. And it also like opens up to the pool area, which is super dope. And full glass here. Like, this is so bomb. So you could just like look outside while you're showering. And then this one just also has like a shower and same thing over here. I look a little crazy. Whoa. I still have my compression socks on because they're hard to get off. So ooh. Ah, I can't get in. I really couldn't push the door. This is TV, and look at this window with the greenery in the back. And then a ginormous bathtub. Shower here, open also. Alright guys, and that concludes the villa tour. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. Good afternoon, everybody. So we are actually still in Bali, but as you can see from what's going on behind me, we have switched villas. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and give you guys a villa tour Hopefully I can keep this as steady as I can. This villa is so different from our last one, which is kind of awesome because we are staying in Ubud and last time we were staying in Seminyak. So our Seminyak villa was a lot more modern, more updated, and this time we're in the middle of the jungle, which is nice. And so it's kind of cool to immerse yourself in the nature, which is kind of what we've done here at this villa. So hopefully you guys like it. Let's go. So this here is our front door. It's got these really cool steps. I've seen so far that in Bali there are like no steps. I mean no like regular pavement. Just kind of awkward. And then right here up these stairs is another bedroom, which I will show you guys shortly, but my friend is showering, so we're gonna put a hold on that. So when you walk into the room, the house, this is a double door, but we only have one side opened at the moment. This right here is the little living area. It's a small kitchen right over there, and then right here out of the back is the dining area, and everything has keys because you are outside, so safety first, you know. So this is our dining room. Super cute. It's like a picnic style, really thick wooden table here, and all the plants on the wall, and then you have just like all these like really pretty vines back here, and then you have all these lush plants back here, which is so nice, and it is covered, so you are blocked by the shade, which is super cool. And then there's just another door over there also. So let's go back inside. Straight ahead, that is our pool area. You can hear my cousin just yelling at birds. Here's the pool, and Jamora's in the water, so you're in a towel. I'm like, but I just told her, I was like, I'm gonna get the camera, so anything you don't want to be seen. Well, at least you're dressed.
I'm like, which one of y'all was yelling at me last night?
The funny thing is, I literally just said, I'm like, you can hear my cousin yelling at birds, and then I turn the corner and you're like, anywho, so these are just the swings by the little kitchen, and another one over there, and that's her room.
Whose room?
Oh Lord. Suck it. She was like, suck it in, suck it in. Yes, honey, there we go. Ooh.
What's that rib cage?
It rained, so those little cushions are up right now. And then this is our hammock, which is kind of nice, and it's a nice sturdy material, so you don't flip over when you get in it. I love that swing. I hope you look like a creep. So funny. And then this is my room here, and which is super awesome is that every single room has its own like little canopy to keep the bugs out, because like I said, you are totally outside. And then here is just a door that opens up out to the patio, which is completely walled off and closed in. And then this is our bathroom. Our bathroom's completely outside, which is amazing and a little scary at night all at the same time. So here's the tub right here. Don't mind my friend's bathing suit, sorry. The toilet's even outside, you guys. And then this is our shower, which I will admit is amazing. Like, to shower outside is amazing. Even at night, it's so bomb. It's so cool. And I thought I loved my shower at the last place, but this one is even cooler. So yeah, this door that I was talking about before over here this is what it opens up to, so you can kind of just come stand outside, hang out. It's beautiful to kind of just take a look at it all. And then if you just go back inside, it leads you right back to the living area, which is where we all hang out and we drink. Here's some of our beverages of choice. Some Hendrix gin, some Clase Azul, a little bit of Don Julio Añejo. Here's where you can meditate, and a pool shower straight ahead, which is awesome. And then, like I told you guys before, this is Raven's room, and she's swinging right now. Here's her canopy down. This is what it looks like. And then she has really high ceilings in her bedroom, which is super awesome. And then her bathroom's also outside, but it's a little bit less like scary. There we go. So this is her bathroom. So just as much, and it is fully outside. You guys can see the sky right there. And then her shower's just over here. So it's a bit smaller, but it's just as nice and you feel just as connected. Okay, so forgive my hair. We went to a waterfall today and you guys will see footage. There'll be a whole separate like cinematic video of my entire 2 weeks here in Bali so that you guys can see that too. Alright, so let's make our way up the stairs. So here's just a view from the roof. And the pool is down there. Okay. And then here you can do yoga, meditate, it's all really nice. And then this is Isis's bedroom. Say hi to the people.
Hi. I know, I just realized what live does.
Yeah, what does? That's why we were always like, oh my god, why did she turn it off?
I didn't get it.
It's okay, you're still learning your phone.
You know I'm like technologically challenged because I'm like, oh, whatever. You know I never used to take photos anyway.
I put Isis on to taking Instagram photos and now she's addicted. We're walking places and she's like, do you want a photo? Do you need a photo? Do you want a photo? And it's hilarious because before she hated it. So I'm gonna turn the camera off for a second so I don't bust my ass down the staircase. Just a warning. Alright guys, so I'm back downstairs and that concludes this villa tour. I hope you guys like both of the villas. I'll leave in the description box down below exactly where I'm staying for both villas so you guys can check them out if you ever want to come to Bali. And I will leave, okay, so like I don't want to leave the prices down below because they're very likely to change, but basically like this villa was very inexpensive. You can literally travel in Bali for as low, like a stay for as low as $50 to $100 a night total, not per person, total. This villa ran us about, I'm gonna say like $60 a night per person, but that's kind of like a splurge in Bali. I don't want you guys to feel like you have to come here and spend like a lot of money. You don't. You can get a smaller place that's just as beautiful, that's just as immersed in the nature. But like I said, enough with the rambling. I'll leave everything down in the description box below, and right here I'll cut in some footage of Bali and a little bit more of the villa, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Love you. Alright. Am I far enough from the camera though, Isis, when I'm over there? I'll make it work.
Oh, wash my incense.
I burned my finger and she tells me watch her incense.
She's crazy.
My finger, I looked at my hand like, oh my god, watch my incense. No regard for my
I
life.
was serious.
No regard for my life.
Don't fuck my shit up. It's keeping me zen right now.
Oh, is this? I'm so scared right now.
Girl, you act like... No, this is your damn video. Do it.
Shake it and keep it away from your face.
Shake it and pop the damn...
Wait, should I?
Shake it more.
I have to twist it a little. Like it's tight as hell in here. Okay. Oh my god.
The label.
Fix your face.
Yes.
I can be a director.
What?
I can be a director. I'm like, the label, stop, cut! Action!
I don't want to break a finger.
That was fucking perfect.
Your boomerang. Everything.
Alright, cut. Another actress. Get her out of here. Did it come out perfect?
I
That
don't know.
looked perfect from where I was.